Hi guys, we are planning to go to Honey Beach and Ankola. So it's really different and it's really amazing place. So we are trying to reach in very sooner. So I'll show you the roads. So finally we reached this place. So I will take you inside, have a small tour inside, and we're gonna stay here for a night and I'll show you remaining things. Let's go ahead. You can see some cottages around here and the beach is right there. So the room charges are 4,000 rupees. You can travel this place, it's amazing. You can see the beach that side. So it is Red Earth Gokarna. You can see the beach here. This is the beach. So I'll walk towards the beach. So for a beach you have to walk a little bit more, so you can see the wave, water wave. Really beautiful, really beautiful. So I'll take you near the beach now. So beach is this side. You can see the view of this. You can see so this is a beach, relaxing beach. So people do come for yoga, for meditation. You guys have to try this place once at least. So let's go towards the room. So this is the room and it's pretty good. And view of restaurant, it's amazing. They have tons of option of food, veg, non-veg. So let's head for a breakfast. So guys, this is a very nice place. You guys have to try this place, and it's very beautiful. You have cottages and you have beach and you have meditation, you have yoga center. So you have view of beach and you can definitely, like, you know, the food is amazing here, stay is good. So definitely try this place once. It's near Ankola, between Ankola and Gokarna. So it's called as Honey Beach. So and I'm gonna come up with new videos very soon, and very good videos, beautiful videos. Cheers. Have a nice day.